Hello and welcome to the first lesson of this course. The very first step that you have to do is to decide what discount you will be giving and to create promo codes with that discount. In this technology, we will be using single-use promo codes. This is much more safe than group codes. In the next lessons, we will create advertising on Facebook that will be giving one code to each person. If you have not created promo codes on Amazon before, let's make a quick tour. First, you have to go to Menu, Advertising, Promotions, Create a Promotion. Choose here Percentage Off option. Then you have to create Product Selection. Product Selection is a kind of a list of your products that your promo code will be used for. After that, you make basic settings of your promo code. Set your discount in percentages. I recommend big discount, more than 50%. If you make smaller discount, the efficiency of this promotion will be lower and your cost of advertising will be higher. Set here start date and your end date. Check the option single-use promo code and check the option one redemption per customer. Scroll down and confirm your promotion. After your promotion became active, you go to Manage Promotions, tap and click on the button Manage Claim Codes. Here you just write the title of your promo codes. If you are confused here, write something like promo codes for Facebook advertising and set the quantity of the promo codes. I recommend to create at least 50 promo codes and be ready to give away about 50 to 100 units of your product with a deep discount. Then you simply download TXT file with single-use promo codes. The file looks like this. Save this file. We will need these codes during our settings on Facebook. Okay, so now we have promo codes. They are single-use. That means each customer will be able to use it only once. But Amazon has a very tricky option. This customer will be able to buy unlimited quantity of your products in this one purchase. So in the next lesson we will protect your inventory from a fraud.